One-on-One started out as a company providing tutoring to students. That went well. We got those students getting grade 1s, and the business quickly evolved into a 1,000 student coming to us on a weekend for math and physics lessons. We're now a fully fledged online learning company focused not only on individuals and providing tutoring for students, but also corporates and companies. In 2020, something remarkable happened. At the start of 2020, the entire country was shut down. It was the COVID-19 pandemic, and countries across the Caribbean, Jamaica especially, needed solution, and they needed it fast, right? One-on-one, we were demanded to solve problems not only in schools, but also companies and at a government level across the Caribbean. Of course, when this happened, we needed to expand the team quickly. We needed resources, and we needed a bigger team, and we needed, more capital. And so, we went to Sagicor again, and Sagicor sat with us. They understood the needs from a Caribbean standpoint, and they were able to structure a deal through Sagicor Capital Markets, through Sagicor Investment, that allowed us the funding and that foundation that we could grow the company quickly to take advantage of the newfound demand and opportunities that presented itself. We were solving big problems at the time, and we needed a partner, and certainly Sagicor was there to support us.
Sagicor Group is very big on building the nation of Jamaica. And in building the nation of Jamaica, we believe that it first starts with companies. Companies like One-on-One. One-on-One is also in a sector that we are very bullish on, and this is the technology sector.
But what Sagicor brought was not just the money, right? It's that advice that you get, is that network that you get, and access again to those students and so on. And if you have Sagicor as an investor and you go into a room, you can say that you're funded by one of the largest financial groups within the Caribbean. The decision to list on the junior stock exchange, and let me just say junior, because we were open for anything, main or junior. We felt that it was now time, and the business was now prime, going into a fast growth period to raise capital, but not only capital, to increase awareness for who we are and what we do, in a way that persons all across the Caribbean, not just Jamaica, could know One-on-One, the one-on-one way, our products and services, and who we are, and how we could solve their problem. And so the decision was an easy one.
We led the company during their IPO process through arranging advisors. We developed the prospectus, we sought regulatory approval, we launched the IPO, and we also listed the company.
The IPO was an immense success, right? I tell you something, that the day after the listing ceremony, I picked up the newspaper. It was me, my daughters on the thing, glittered in confetti, and having them just smiling and beaming with joy and pride. My daughter came home from school and said, "Daddy, they were talking about you." It was an immense joy. It was a huge success. It was a 100th company to list on the exchange. It was broadcast all across the Caribbean. Many people called us to say congratulations. It was a truly amazing story. We raised close to about $3 billion. It was an overwhelming oversubscription, but it's a testament to our company, our vision, and the belief that people have in helping us to get there. We're looking forward to a future that sees us growing beyond the shores of Jamaica to the Caribbean and to the world, and Sagicor Investments will take us there.